Alright guys, here's a really old cold start. This thing's been sitting I don't know, since the 80s, sometime in the 80s. I just put this carb on. We're gonna see if we can get it to go. Now remember, whenever you're filling up a carburetor, make sure you got a lit cigarette in your mouth, because then you'll look cool when you blow up. The wiring was trashed on this. I already went through and cleaned the points and everything. That should be enough to see if it'll fire. I got it hot wired. Ran a wire from the coil. Just gonna stick it down in there. And I found the wire off the starter that'll start it. Well, let's see if she'll start. Oh, I went through and put a whole bunch of WD-40 in the cylinders and spun this over by hand quite a few times first, so. Alright, here we go. Yeah, there we go. I can't believe this thing's running. Holy crap. Holy crap. It works. Yeah. Well, I guess they just don't build cars like that anymore. It's a 327, a 400 turbo tranny. Alright, talk at you later.